Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. Let's get started. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your mobile device. Then tap on the Rewards tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, go to the Buy section. Here's an important tip. Sweatcoin doesn't always offer Roblox gift cards directly, but it frequently offers Amazon, Apple App Store, and Google Play gift cards. Depending on your region, look for one of these gift cards that you can afford with your current Sweatcoin balance. Once you find one, tap on it. Now swipe to confirm your purchase. After the purchase is complete, Sweatcoin will send you an email containing a unique link or a digital gift card code. Open the email and copy the gift card code. Next, open your phone's App Store, either the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone. Go to your account settings and tap on the Redeem Gift Card or Redeem Code option. Paste the gift card code and confirm the redemption. Once it's redeemed, the gift card balance will be added to your Apple ID or Google Play account. Now open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Choose the Robux package that matches your available gift card balance. When the payment screen appears, your Apple App Store or Google Play balance will automatically be available as a payment method if it covers the purchase. Complete the purchase, and your Robux will be added to your Roblox account. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.